How to activate ear customized sound effects. Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to activate ear customized sound effects. If you are new to this channel, I would love you to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification button for more videos like this. So to be able to activate ear customized sound effects, basically what you have to do is go to your phone application. Once you go to your phone application, you are going to see the three buttons at the top right corner of your screen, and once you see those three buttons, you are going to click on it. Then you are going to see the settings option. Then you click on the settings option. Then once you click on that, you are going to see sounds and vibration. You are going to click on sounds and vibration. And once you click on sounds and vibration, you are going to scroll down. Then once you continue scrolling down, the last option you are going to see is the ear customized sound effects. Then you are going to click on that, and if you want to turn it on, it's going to be able to customize sound profiles based on your hearing capabilities and use such profiles during music and video playback, but this is only valid in headset mode. So you are going to turn that on, and once you turn that on, you are going to click on a sample sound profile. If you're under 30 years, you're going to click on that. If you're 30 to 60, you can click on that. If you're above 60, you can click on that. So I'm going to click on under 30 years. So you can also add custom sound effects if you want, or change your settings of your sample sound profile. If this video was useful to you, I'd love you to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.